Hello and welcome to Fastmere. If you're participating in a 360 program and your company is using Fastmere, let's talk about what you'll experience. If you're unfamiliar with 360, it's the process of gathering feedback on an individual using a series of questions in a survey or questionnaire. The feedback can come from a variety of sources, which can include direct reports, clients or customers, peers, supervisor or direct manager, or other people who have experience working with the individual, or in this case, you. Depending on how your company has structured its 360 process, you may experience some or all of the following. The first aspect you may experience is what's called rater selection. This is the process where you can provide the names of the individuals that should be the source of feedback for you. You'll receive an email that looks like this. The logo in the email may be the Fastmere logo, as seen here, or it may be your company logo. All you need to do when you receive this email is click this button here that says Complete 360 Rater Selection. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You'll have specific instructions in this section here that will direct you on how to properly select raters. After reading the instructions, you can begin to enter in the names and email addresses of the individuals that should provide feedback for you. Typically, you'll include direct reports if you have any, peers, customers, your direct supervisor, and any other people that you have worked with closely. You can add individuals by using the company directory here, or by typing the information in here. Most important, you'll need to specify how the individual is connected to you by using the drop-down list here. As you add raters, their names will appear in this section here. Once you've completed adding all your raters, you'll need to click the button here. The next step in the process may be rater approval, depending on how your company has decided to set up this particular 360 program. In this process, any rater selections you've made are submitted to an approver. The approver is typically your direct supervisor, but can be someone else depending on how your company has set up your 360 process. If you are an approver, this is what you'll experience. You'll receive an email that looks like this. Once again, the logo in the email may be the Fastmere logo or your company's specific logo. All you need to do is click this button that says Complete 360 Rater Approval. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. From this page, you can review the raters that have been selected by the individual and determine if they are appropriate. If you are comfortable with the raters this individual has selected, then approve them by moving the switch to yes and clicking the button here. If you are not satisfied with this individual's rater selection, move the switch to no, click the button here, and enter a brief message about what the individual can do to receive approval. Once raters are approved, surveys will be sent to each rater. Each rater will receive an email that looks like this. All the rater needs to do is click the button here and they will be taken to the survey. From here, the rater will be presented with some instructions on how to complete the survey, and he or she can click the button here to begin. Each rater will be presented with the same questions and will be asked to respond to each by clicking the option that most appropriately describes his or her experience with you. You will also receive a similar email to complete a self-assessment. The self-assessment is the same survey your raters receive, except you will be asked to complete this survey about how you view yourself relative to the questions being asked. Once enough raters have completed the survey and you have completed your self-assessment, you will receive an email notifying you that your report is available. The email will look like this, and you can click the button here that says View Report to get access to your report. This is a brief overview of how the Fastmere process works. Keep in mind, you may not experience every step covered here. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your 360 program administrator.